Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Facebook page notifications more private, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to hide public post notifications from your page using the Facebook app on your PC. This way, you can control who sees your activity and keep your notifications just for yourself. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything about your Facebook experience. Now scroll down until you see the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open up more options. Here, you'll find a setting labeled Public Post Notifications. This is where you can control who gets notified about your public posts. Click on Public Post Notifications. You'll see a few different choices, but to keep your notifications completely private, select Only Me. This means only you will receive notifications about your public posts. No one else will see them. After you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've just hidden your public post notifications from your page, giving you more privacy and control over your Facebook activity. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks on keeping your social media experience safe and private. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.